62nd National Film Awards is to begin in a short while. We have with us today Honorable Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Bimal Julka with us. Sir, National Film Awards, 62nd National Film Awards. How important National Film Awards today in the context of numerous awards being given, especially in the mainstream industry with the glitz and glamour of Bollywood. How relevant and important NFA today in your perspective, sir?
First of all, let me say that we are indeed very delighted to host the 62nd National Film Awards. These awards are of a great importance for the Ministry of INB and for the cinema industry. These are awards for cinematic excellence, and there is a great amount of significance attached to these awards. We, on behalf of Ministry of INB, feel very proud to host this event.
So, do you think that NFA as a platform promotes alternative cinema? It's a platform to promote regional cinema, especially the policy of inclusiveness.
NFA is basically, it's not only for regional cinema, it's a cinema for all categories of films. As you know that we have three categories, the features, non-feature and story writing. So all these three categories are captured in this National Film Awards. So it's a holistic approach to inclusiveness.
Sir, as the head of the administration of information and broadcasting sector in India, what are your perspectives on the growth of media and entertainment industry and especially the film sector, sir, over the years?
You see, if you see that the way the media and entertainment industry is growing, it's indeed growing at a very phenomenal pace. All sectors of the industry, whether it's print or electronic media, new media, or it's broadcasting, films, every sector is growing enormously. And I think ultimately the viewers and the listeners are going to determine how the sector is to grow further. I personally feel that the creativeness and innovativeness of the talent in this industry will be a key challenge to the growth of this sector.
So last question, sir, your views on the policies and initiatives of the ministry to further the film culture in India?
Ministry is always committed to the growth of Indian cinema. We have various platforms to showcase the best of Indian cinema, and now we are also in the process of launching the National Film Heritage Mission, and all our auditoria have also been upgraded. They are getting digitized, so we are trying to keep pace with the emerging technologies.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.